What's up, guys? AKA Big Block here at Creative Rods, and it's time to do a little shop walk on this beautiful Monday. A little rainy, but doesn't stop the work around here, that's for sure. Let's go see what the guys are up to, shall we? Got old country inside, out of the rain. Oh, look. What's he doing right there?
Yeah.
Is that small block?
Yeah, small block. They put a Briggs and Stratton in here. 6 horse.
What are you doing?
Took the heater and AC box out.
Yeah.
Pulled out the inner wheel wells. Just getting it all stripped down.
Stripping it down for what?
So we can put the 500 horse LS3 in here with the Scott's Hot Rods frame. Yeah.
That's gonna be different.
Oh yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. I think it'll be pretty cool.
That's gonna be cool.
It'd be awesome.
That y'all's nice little frame y'all built to roll this mug around.
Yep.
Check that out.
Me and Tyler.
Woo-wee! Who that is? Oh, look who that is. Look who it is. Boy, he's so cute over here. Look, boy, he hiding. He hiding. He hiding.
Y'all want to see something pretty?
Let's see something. What? Look at that. Boy, you got some fluorescence on, don't
Hey,
you?
boy, I ain't seen the sun since last year. They've
You
been
know.
hiding.
You feeling better today?
I mean, I feel not as bad.
Man.
Energy level's about 40%.
40%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I almost went home and didn't go back.
Really?
Yeah.
Been under the weather. Caught that old stomach junk. Didn't stop him though.
Nah, we're still here.
You ain't gonna keep him out of work. Look, what you doing?
Hi, buddy. I am making exhaust
Ooh.
for this beautiful S10.
Ooh.
Is what
You
I'm
got
doing.
got some cutouts on there?
Got some cutouts. Got some Borlas in the back.
Shoot.
I am doing it.
Cutouts. Now, who are these cutouts made by?
These are actually the Summit Racing cutouts.
Ooh. Oh, Summit Racing?
Summit's got their own brand of cutouts, apparently.
Sweet. That's the first time we use the Summit ones, isn't it?
It's the first time I've ever put cutouts in any of the exhausts I've made.
Oh, that is true.
Yep.
That's going to add a little wow factor, though.
It's gonna sound good even when it's not running the cutouts. These Borlas, we like them.
Oh, yeah.
Or what
Oh,
our
yeah.
Nova had on it.
See if I can get a shot of that old. There he is right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Getting her all tacked up where we want it. Making sure Boss Man likes it.
Yeah, so you just tack it up to get everything positioned before you
Weld it all the way
weld
up.
it all the way in case
Yep.
you got to do some tweaking.
That's right.
That's a smart way to do it.
Oh yeah.
Weld once. Have it done right. And they're saying about measuring. What'd they say?
I just wing it.
Oh.
But I think it's something like measure once, cut 3 times or something like that. Pack till it fit. I don't know.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
Look at him. Boy, he over there like a...
It's like chiseling ice.
Man. Look at him.
Look at him. Just look at it.
Just, will you look at it? Will you just look at it? Got no Challenger lifted up. Got the repair work done on it. Got to put some bushings underneath the rear end to get it tightened up a little bit. And we'll have that back to the customer here before long. Let's walk back in the body shop. See what's going on, man. It's quiet back here. I wonder why it's quiet back here. Let's find out. Oh, there's old Germ.
Oh, what's up, Mr. B?
You know, another day in paradise.
I know, right? I've been seam sealing this thing for 3 days straight.
3 days.
I think I'm starting to get a little lost.
Are you?
A little bit.
It's kind of messing with your vision there a little
It's
bit.
a little bit messed me up there too.
So,
The things that we do here at Creative Rods that makes us better than the rest
look at that.
is we seam seal every crack and cranny and hole that we can to ensure a beautiful finish.
A beautiful finish.
Beautiful finish.
This thing ought to be able to hold water, except for
This thing will hold water.
don't have no top or nothing.
And when Professor T's done undercoating this thing, probably look like a damn. Probably will be a boat, big block.
Hey, I think you're gonna be acquiring that task.
I might be. We'll see. Maybe. He probably like, you know what? I won't do it. I'm gonna let Jeremy spray this thing and get all nasty.
Yeah. You just gonna double bag it and do all of it at one time?
We are going to spray the bottom and the inner cabin because we have to get it back on the chassis for paint. And we have to remove our braces to paint. Normally we would paint it on the road piston. But this is a special case where we put it back on its completely ready to go roller that we have for it already ready to go.
Yep.
And be doing the painting on the chassis.
So we got that bracing in there to just keep it so it don't flexes,
We
right?
have to keep it from flexing. If not, this thing will fold up.
Don't really have a whole lot of support when you ain't got the frame underneath it.
Nothing for this. This is a tin can box.
It's kind of amazing though, because you know we seam seal everything, but it don't usually take this long to do it.
Normally it don't.
Because I mean they got all these little tiny
Exactly.
panels,
Big
seamed
box,
everywhere.
show you the underside of it real fast. You'll see what.
I mean, just even inside the engine bay. I mean, you typically don't have that much seam
We
seal.
don't have that many seams. You're correct. So these Broncos were put together with 4-inch by 4-inch pieces.
For real.
It's like the king of Tetris of cars.
The king of Tetris.
Tetris.
We need to find some of that theme music.
For real. I don't even remember this thing now.
I don't either. It'll come to you.
Coming to you. Coming to a house near you.
Coming to a house near you.
A beautiful video shot by Big Block.
What's going on in the paint booth? Oh boy. Might need to keep that a little secret. I believe that's something y'all ain't seen yet. I'm gonna take a quick view. These are the inner fenders for the 59 Apache. And we have to do just a real quick look. Can't give away all the secrets. So let me see if we can turn this thing around here. There's a, okay. That's all you get. Sorry. But we're getting those body worked in so we can get them painted, hung on the truck. We'll walk back here in the back, see what's going on. If I don't melt, oh man, I'm gonna melt. It's raining, and I'm gonna melt. Oh, let's see, boy, look at that. Walking up to the assembly shop. Uh-oh. Sees me coming. He's lowering the doors. Must be in trouble now. Look. There's the man right there.
Hey, that new project right there, you can't put that on camera, okay?
Okay. What are you doing?
Just checking out what's going on at Creative Rods.
Hey, this is kind of different from usual, ain't it?
That's right. I got fired.
You got fired.
I got put back to sweeping.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, sweep. Yeah.
You,
I got kind of
oh.
Fred Sanford hands. I can't do it, man.
Okay. Your hands are kind of stuck in the broom holding position.
No, I've done tried it. It won't work.
No?
No.
Man, they're stuck.
See, it don't work.
Where's them shades at?
I can't. Listen, you can't release those yet.
Oh.
They back up there.
Special shades.
I'll give you one hint. A rock and roll, baby.
Ooh, a rock and roll.
Yeah.
Huh. See what's going on over here. Ooh. 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 That's pretty. This is weird. How'd you get up here? You're like, are you the magic man? Now you see him? Well, no, he's still there. Let's try this again. All right, ready? Where'd he go?
Hey.
Oh, no, he's still there. Dang.
Hey. They got them chicken wings out today, right?
Yeah.
They showed them things off. And
We
I
showed
told
them off.
everybody in the shop, look, I know it's gonna be hard, but try not to stare.
Try not to stay.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ever seen such beautiful legs?
Look at him. Things are
Look,
gorgeous.
look. Muscles all over
Woo!
the place. Bulging.
What do you say, not stare?
Hey, you know them glasses you're talking about? I might have to go get them because them things are white. They are white. I'm going to have to go
Let's
get
see.
them.
Mr.
Tan Man.
Let's see. What you working with?
Tanny bed.
Yeah, right. They are. I can't show mine off. We got those Starry Nights on today.
Starry Nights. Nate Dogg had
Who
the Navarian bypass flu coming out both ends.
Damn. Gee, just tell everybody.
What?
The not variant. Whatever. What's it called? Norovirus.
Noro.
That even sounds narrow.
You didn't even go on no cruise or nothing, did you?
No, I came to Greenville.
Hey, man, you can't be blaming it on Greenville. It's messed up.
Mountain and came down and got him something.
Oh,
We
I
got fresh
see.
air mountain.
I see. You feeling better?
A little bit.
You got energy?
Nope.
Professor T ain't got none either. He said he's wore out.
Some of them shorts like I got on.
Having hot
Rain
flashes.
in Walmart.
Hot flashes.
Yeah.
You sweating?
No, my Metropolitan's kicking in.
I hear you. You want to end us out today?
Not really.
No?
Take it with legs.
3 weeks for you.
Take it to the legs.
Take it with legs.
You say, hey, deuces.
Turn nothing in.
See ya. Peace.
You want to end us out today?
See y'all.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
Say, see ya.
If you like our videos,
Ooh.
hit the like button,
Mhm.
hit the subscribe button, and the little bell, because the bell will let you know that there's a new video out there. Well, you got to hit the bell on each one you subscribe to. So if you hit our bell, then you'll know when we got a new video coming out.
Gotcha.
Notifications of everybody who posts
I don't have the bell.
See you, man.
See
With
ya.
Creative Rods. Make sure you check us out at our next show. We're going to be at Good Guys National in Raleigh, North Carolina, April 26th to the 28th.